Hello, and welcome to KSS Program's online robotics lessons. Today, we'll be covering the concept of exploring sensors. Okay, let's get started. Let's take a quick look at all the different subjects that we will be covering today. Let's begin with our base robot. For example purposes, we're going to take a LEGO EV3 Mindstorm device to show you the joy and excitement in developing your own base robot. What can we do with it? We can move it forward, backwards, stop it, turn it, or spin it. We can use the audio features, select from a variety of preloaded songs or sounds, or we can even record or upload your own. We can use the time feature, program the base robot to only continue forward for a specific amount of time. And maybe we can program it to only play a sound when you travel for a specific amount of time. In a real-world example, we could use it to deliver messages or packages to a neighbor 100 feet away. Message our friendly neighbor that the thunderstorm is coming by uploading a message and telling our base robot to only play the message once it travels 100 feet from the starting distance. Secure a package to your base robot and then send it to your neighbor. Have your robot wait some time and then return. Now let's talk about sensors. Sensors are additional devices that you may choose to add to your base robot to explore different tasks and projects. How do they work? They collect or measure data from the physical environment of the robot. An input from the environment is read by the sensor and then sent to the main computer. A response from the main computer or an output occurs based on the input. So why use sensors? They give us remote access. It will allow the operator to learn about the environment of the robot without physically being there. It provides high tech. You can measure touch, distance, color, magnetic fields, heat flow, pressure, temperature, orientation, and more. Economical reasons as well, because sensors are highly accurate, they are low cost, durable, and they deliver high performance. Safety. We send sensors out to harsh and extreme environments to collect data humans are unable to. The following graphic shows an example on how two different sensors collect data to be sent to the computer. Now let's talk about the different kinds of sensors. We have the touch sensor, which detects if a button is pressed or if it's pressed and then released. The color sensor, which detects different colors. It also detects reflected light and light intensity. The gyro sensor, which detects rotational motion and orientation changes. The ultrasonic sensor, which measures the distance or proximity to the object, and then using a high-frequency sound wave sends the signal. The infrared sensor, which also measures the distance or proximity to the object and sends an infrared light that bounces off objects in the environment and sends the signal. The infrared beacon transmits an IR signal continuously so that the other device can hear it or see it. Beacons send signals only to a specific frequency. Now, let's take a moment to go over our fun facts of the day. Let us know if any questions. See you next time.